Welcome back. Time for some Tuesday birthdays. We begin with a belated birthday wish going out to Lexi Zwalen in Oswego, turning the big number 7 on Easter Sunday. Happy birthday, Lexi.
And Abigail George celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Abigail, birthday wishes coming with love from mom and family.
And we've got Lucy Zom celebrating birthday number 10 over in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday, Lucy.
Emma Miller is 11 years old this year in Seneca. Emma, happy birthday from mom and dad, Maddie, Chief, and Nanny.
And Braxton Whitley celebrating birthday number 13 on Saturday in Chanute. Big happy birthday and welcome to the teen years, Braxton.
Out in Parsons, Andrew Hook turning 14 years old. Happy birthday.
And Addison Hart in the O-Show celebrating birthday number 15. And another belated birthday. Got a few late birthdays today, so very happy birthday to you, Addison.
All right. Dirk Skigler celebrating birthday number 15 up in Fort Scott. His was a belated birthday as well on Sunday.
And Craig Cowardin celebrating birthday number 34 with a great throwback picture there over in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, Dad, Haley, AJ, Shane, and Willow.
Allison Zink is 38 years old this year. Ooh, look at her all dressed up for as Batwoman. Allison is 38.
We've got Ryan Herlocker celebrating birthday number 44 in Girard. Happy birthday wishes coming from Dad. He says he's sure proud of his son. Happy birthday, Ryan.
And Monday was time for Christy Manier to celebrate, and you can continue celebrating on today. There's a little throwback picture there of Christy.
And last but not least, we have Gary Shelton celebrating birthday number 96 in Fort Scott. Gary's a resident at Medical Lodges. A very happy birthday to you, Gary. And of course, this was great to celebrate. We love celebrating with you, and I know you want to celebrate with us. Tanya, how do they go about celebrating with us?
All they have to do is send their birthdays to this email at KOAMnewsnow.com. Birthdays at KOAMnewsnow.com. Don't forget that part.
And of course, don't forget to take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right, let's